Most people don't know that hip-hop can heal you. Mind, body, and community. I am not just an MC. I am a lyrical healer, blending boom-bap beats with mindfulness. Through the True Heart Academy, I am shifting paradigms in education and empowering everyone to express, learn, and transform. Here's what is being built. A digital academy teaching self-awareness through hip-hop, curriculum for schools that explores Black history and healing practices, workshops for youth to process life through the power of rhyme, music that is spiritual, political, and heartbreakingly honest. This isn't about clout, it's about consciousness. Every beat is medicine, every lyric is a tool. Join the movement. Follow me and support hip-hop with purpose.